In September of this year, Apple is anticipated to provide information on its next iPhone 15 series. The company typically releases new phones around the same time each year, and the iPhone 14 series replacement is anticipated to be released in around 2 months. The iPhone 15, Plus, Pro, and Pro Max will likely be among the 4 models shown at this year's event. The regular variants, though, are what we'll be looking at in this article. According to the leaks thus far, the iPhone 15 and its Plus counterpart will get 3 significant advancements from its forerunners. The regular iPhone 15 series models, according to leaks thus far, will have Apple's new Dynamic Island feature. This indicates that the punch-hole display design will be used in the flagship phone. Despite the fact that this has not been officially confirmed, there are presently just iPhone 14 Pro models that use this design. However, there has been a rumor going around for some time that this may alter this year. The company was harshly criticized last year for using the same design on regular models for years, so this will also help Apple distinguish the current version from earlier models. Additionally, according to the leaks, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus may have a frosted glass back with a matte texture, similar to the iPhone 14 Pro models from a year ago. According to reports, the regular models have 48-megapixel back cameras, much as the Pro models of the iPhone 14 series. Over the 12-megapixel sensors found in the current iPhone models, this would represent a significant improvement. However, one shouldn't anticipate seeing a LiDAR or telephoto lens for optical zoom on the ordinary models since they will apparently only be offered with the more expensive models. According to rumors, the Pro Max variant has a larger camera module with additional sensors in addition to periscope lenses with an optical zoom capability of up to 5-6x. One of the main differences is that the iPhones of 2023 are said to include a USB Type-C connector rather than Apple's Lightning ports seen on earlier models. People won't have to carry along many USB-C chargers since they will just need one to charge their phones as a result. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.